Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, we've got a special story to share. Let's dive right in. In this season of shimmering holiday lights, a heartwarming miracle unfolds here. A unique gift is being meticulously crafted, not just an item but a journey of emotions that spans oceans. It's a tribute to times past and an anticipation of the future. Now, let's step into the story filled with love and miracles, witnessing the birth of a special Christmas gift. In this warm Christmas season, I want to give a one-of-a-kind gift to a special friend and her lovely daughter, Rose. This is more than a musical statue. It's a magical world filled with love and dreams. 4 pegasi, adorned with sparkling gems, soar through the sky painted with clouds and stars, each movement telling a tale of passion and hope. Dear Laura, your strength and bravery in creating a world filled with love for little Rose is awe-inspiring. I hope this musical statue becomes a beacon in your lives, illuminating every night with hope and joy. Little angel Rose, your smile, as enchanting as the melody in this statue, brings endless joy and hope to those around you. May your days be filled with miracles, happiness, and constant surprises like this carousel. Every fold of the gift wrap, every tie of the ribbon, embodies my most profound blessings for you. This card is not just my blessing but also my hope for your future happiness. Dear Laura and Rose, this musical statue is a testament to our friendship. May each turn to bring you endless joy and love, as eternal as my feelings for you. May every rotation accompany my blessings, forever enveloping you in happiness and love. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and join me to share more love-filled music box stories.